Maintaining a healthy diet is crucial for your overall health. Here are 5 steps that can help you eat healthier. Plan your meals. Meal planning helps to ensure that you're getting balanced nutrition. This means incorporating proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in your diet. It also helps prevent last-minute unhealthy food choices. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. These are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, and they're generally low in calories. Choose whole grains. Whole grains are more nutritious and filling than their refined counterparts. Opt for brown rice, whole grain bread, oats, and quinoa over white bread, white rice, and other refined grains. Limit processed foods and sugars. Processed foods often contain unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Try to limit your intake of processed meats, packaged snacks, sugary drinks, and fast food. Instead, opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading us to eat when we're actually thirsty. Staying hydrated can also aid digestion and help keep your skin healthy. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean you have to eliminate all your favorite foods. It's about balance and making healthier choices most of the time. It's also crucial to pair a healthy diet with regular physical activity for overall health. If you're considering making significant changes to your diet, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian.